Good day. So we are now on linear equations. Okay. Now, it says here that to solve an equation means to find the values of the variable involved that makes the equation true. Okay? So, these values are what we call the solutions or roots of the equation. So, in other words, if we are asked to solve for an equation and we need to find that particular value, for example, say x or y or z and so on, no? So we need to find its value. Okay. Now we have here its theorem. It says here that the linear equation of the form ax plus b is equal to 0 has exactly one solution, that is negative b over a. Why man? Because from this equation here, you have ax plus b is equal to 0. We need to solve for x. Okay? So the first step we're going to do here is we will transpose positive b to the right side of the equation. Okay, so you have here ax is equal to 0 minus b. Okay? So what's next? Simplify. You have ax is equal to 0 minus b is negative b. Right? Now, take note that we are to solve for the value of x here. So what we're going to do here is we will divide both sides by a. Okay? So it follows that x is equal to negative b over a. So we can cancel a man. Okay? So we are correct. It has exactly one solution. Okay? So let's apply this idea to our examples here. Okay. Solve, number 1, solve 3x plus 4 is equal to 16. Okay. Now, we have a value at the right side of the equation. Take note, the variable involved here is x. So we need to find the value of x. Okay. So, unsa man itong first buhaton? Unsa itong first buhaton? We will transpose positive 4 to the right side of the equation. So you have here 3x is equal to 16 minus 4. Okay? Can you follow? Now, simplify further. You have 3x is equal to, what is 16 minus 4? You have 12. Okay? So what's next? Okay. This point, okay, you have 12. We divide that both sides of the equation by 3. So we can say that x is equal to, what is 12 divided 3? You have 4. Okay? So, is it the solution? So we need to check. Okay? By checking, okay, where x is equal to 4, let's go back to the original equation. No? So you have 3, substitute the value of x here, which is 4. Okay? Plus 4 is equal to 16. Equal ba sila? Okay, so we need to put question mark in here. So let's try. 3 times 4, you have 12, plus 4 is equal to 16. So 16 is equal to 16. So that is correct. Okay, so therefore, 4 is the solution. Okay? Nakuha na to, nasabtan na to, class. Okay. So let's consider the example number 2. So you are given here 4x minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 4 plus 6x plus 3. So it's different from example number 1. Okay. So what you're going to do here is to observe first the equation. So unsa ka atong first buhaton? Kay mo na atong ibutang sa tong hunahon. Unsa ka atong first buhaton? So okay, combine. If natin makombine sa left side o sa right side, we will do it. Okay? So here, it's very clear that we have 4x and 2x here. So they are similar. On the right side of the equation, we have the numbers 4 and 3, which we can combine. Okay? So here, what is 4x minus 2x? You have 2x. You just copy minus 5. So copy the equality. Okay, here, we can combine 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3, you have 7. Then you just copy 6x. Okay? Kuha na to again. Ato lang minus 4x minus 2x, you have 2x. Then, we just copy minus 5. Okay. Sa right side equation, we simply add 4 plus 3. So, you have 7. Then, you copy 6x. So, ang naitabo, from here, nainganin na og forma. Okay? So what's next? Next na to buhaton? Okay? I-grupo nato ang magkapareha, no? Okay? So, from this point, so, now let us solve example number 2. Solve 4x minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 4 plus 6x plus 3. So, before we will directly solve the equation, let us first analyze what is given, no? Kung unsa pa ba atong pwede buhaton before we can solve. As we observe, natay pwede pa i-combine sa left side sa equation, then na tayo ma-combine sa right side sa equation before we will solve the variable x. Okay. So, but pasabot, ato na siyang ma-combine pa. 4x minus 2x, you have 2x. Okay? Then copy minus 5. So, you copy equality. So, we can combine here. 4 plus 3, you have 7. Then, copy plus 6x. Okay? So, take note, we will solve for the variable of x. So, from here, nainali na siya kagamay. No? Dili na siya murag libog tan-awon. So, next na to buhaton is, we will group those similar, no? So, kaning 6x, ibalin na to sa left side. So, that becomes 2x minus 6x. Nganong minus gali? Because positive man iyang side from the right side, okay? So you copy equal symbol. You copy 7. Then negative 5 will be transposed to the right side. So from negative 5, may mo siyang plus 5. Okay, can you follow? Okay. Now combine. What is 2 minus 6? You have negative 4. You copy the variable x. Okay. So, equal to, what is 7 plus 5? We have 12. Okay. Take note, we need to find the value of x. So, we will divide both sides by negative 4. So, it follows that x is equal to, what is 12 divided by negative 4? You have negative 3. So, cancel ba yan si negative 4 dyan? Okay. Is negative 3 the solution of this equation? So, let's find out if solution ba yun siya by checking. Okay? Okay. Instead of using this one, kanina na itong gamiton. Kaya ito namang simplify siya daan. Okay? So, you have to substitute the value of x, which is negative 3, to our x here. So, that is negative 3 minus 5 is equal to 7 plus 6 times negative 3. Okay. Is it equal? So we have a question mark. Okay? So let's solve. 2 times negative 3, you have negative 6. You copy minus 5. So it's equal to, question again. So 7. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. Okay? So what is negative 6 minus 5? You have negative 11. Is equal to, 7 minus 18 is negative 11. So therefore, it is true. Okay, therefore, negative 3 is a solution. Is a solution. Or the solution. Okay? So, muna siya sa example number 2. So, I will give you another examples to that. No? Para bibo. No? Berganta ma-istadihan. So, I really hope na mo'y nasabtan, no? From our first 2 examples. Let's solve another example. So, yeah, number 3, you have 2 times t minus 5, okay, is equal to 3 minus 4 plus t. Okay. Now, in our example number 3 class, the variable involved here is t. So, meaning to say, we will solve for the variable t. Okay. So, in number 3, you are given 2 times t minus 5 is equal to 3 minus 4 plus t. So, the first thing we need to do here is to remove the parentheses. Okay. By using the distributive law. Okay. So, here, we will distribute 2. So, 2 times t, you have 2t. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Okay? So, you copy equal to, you copy 3. Then, remove the parentheses here by distributing the negative here. Negative times negative 4, you have negative 4. Okay? So, negative times positive t, you have negative t. So, pare-pareha na siya sa example number 2. Okay? So, okay. Solve further on the right side. So, you just copy. What is 3 minus 4 is negative 1 minus t. Okay? So, pareha na siya ani. So, kung sige natin si number 2, atong i-combine ang magkapareha. No? I-grupo nato. So, katong mga variables tanan dito sa pikas nga side, katong mga numbers tanan dito sa pikas nga side. Okay? So, here, we will transpose negative t to the left side of the equation. So, you have 2t. So, si negative t, ibalin na to sa left side. So, ma-plus t na siya. Is equal to negative 1. So, negative 10, we will transpose that one to the right side of the equation. That becomes plus 10. No? So, simplify further. You have 2t plus t. You have 3t. So, is equal to negative 1 plus 10 or 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. Okay? So, from here, we will divide both sides by 3 so that we can identify the value of t. So, we will divide both sides by 3. So, it follows that our t is equal to 3 because 9 divide 3 is equal to 3. So, kala siya, makancel na siya. Okay, 3, makancel na siya. So, t is equal to 3 is solution. So, let's find out. Again, by checking. So, mag-checking na punta. Okay? Using this one. No? Kaya ito naman siya na-simplify. Hindi na po, no? Okay. Kanina lang itong gamiton. Si original. Para bibo. Okay? We have 2. What is our t? 3 minus 5 is equal to 3 minus 4 plus 3. Okay? Kumbaga, kaning value na t is equal to t. Ito siyang gipang puloy sa 90 diri. Okay? So, padayon ta. Distribute. Pwede na punta dito distribute. 2 times 3, you have 6. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Okay? So, is equal to 3 minus 7. Okay. What is 6 minus 10? You have negative 4. Is equal to, what is 3 minus 7? You have negative 4. So therefore, it is correct. Thus, 3 is a solution. Okay? Kukuha na ito, class. Okay. Give you another example. No? I really hope no, natin ang sabtan, no? Sa ating mga simple na examples. Take note na kailangan yung data mag-checking so that ma-determine natin whether the value that we have just solved is a solution. No? Okay, so give you another example to that. Example number 4. An examples diri. tagtaglan na yung example para di mo mga tingala bitaw na mingon din mo na wala mo naghatag sa example. Okay, we have solve 3 over x plus 4 is equal to 2 over 3x minus 2. Okay? So, lahat na po siya nga example class, no? So, you observe an equation, no? We're in the left side and the right side of the equation are rational expressions, no? Or are fractions. So, in this particular example, what are we going to do to solve for x? So, sa uban, naa siya mga language na gipanggamit, no? Saon. But for me here, let us simply do the cross multiplication. Meaning to say, you will multiply 3 times 3x minus 2, then 2 times x plus 4. Para ma-simplier siya. O, tsura. So, morning may tabo. As I have said, we will do the cross multiplication. So, we have 3 times the denominator on the right side of the equation, which is 3x minus 2. So, equal to, you just copy 2 times this one, x plus 4. So, di ba? Mas simple na siya tan-awon class. You do the cross multiplication. Okay. Now, from here, we will remove the parentheses, no? By simply distributing 3 to each term, then 2 here to each term. So, simple pasabot. So, 3 times 3x, you have 9x. Okay? 3 times negative 2, you have negative 6. So, is equal to 2 times x, you have 2x. 2 times 4, you have plus 8. Okay? So, again, i-grupo na po nato katong na mga variables sa pikas nga size equation, din katong mga constant or mga number dito sa pikas na equation. So, you have here 9x. We will transpose 2x to the left side, so that becomes minus 2x. So, you copy equal. Then, 8, we will transpose negative 6 to the right side, so plus 6. So, simplify further, you have 9 minus 2, you have 7x is equal to 8 plus 6, you have 14. Okay? So, let's solve for x. So, simply, we will divide both sides by 7. Parang dili x na lang mabilin. So, x is equal to, what is 14? Divide 7, you have 2. Is 2 is the solution of the equation. So, let's find out. So, we'll do the checking. Okay, using the original equation, you have 3 over 2 plus 4 is equal to 2 over 3 times 2 minus 2. So, ato lang siyang gipuli diri sa mga x. Okay? So, 3, you copy. Is it equal sila? May question mark. 2 plus 4 is 6. Is equal to, question mark, 2 over, what is 3 times 2? You have 6 minus 2. So, padayon, what is 3 over 6? That is reduced to its lowest term, that is 1/2. Question mark, 2 over, what is 6 minus 2? You have 4. Okay, equal ba sila? So, 1/2. What is 2 divide 4? What, reduce again to 1/2. So, therefore, they are equal. So, therefore, 2 is a solution. Okay? So, dali na kayo siya class, no? Magsugta. Next example, but I will just give you a lot of examples nga dili pareha, no? Para sa dili sa isa ra ka type na equations yung makita. At least na mo lain nga makita nga equation. Okay. Now, what if you will given this one? The 5. You will be given 3 over 8 plus 1 over 2x is equal to 2 over x. Okay. So, what if inunaan niyo ang gihatag sa inyo? Then you will be asked to find the variable x. Okay. So, in this case, we will identify